Hey there, everybody. This is Bill with Project Lightning. I just got the battery removed out of my 2019 Chevy Bolt. Actually, let me just switch here so you can see. So here's the 2019 Chevy Bolt. I've just pulled the battery out. So this is your very first look at the final remedy replacement battery for the Chevy Bolt. So here's the little side stickers. These look all familiar. Some people have also seen the N2.2 sticker there. It looks very similar to the other battery packs. I wanted to show there's a little QR code. And then just like the back, that sticker also has a replacement sticker sitting on top of it. Here on the top of the battery is a recycle thing and information about how to lift it with a forklift. I don't know if these kinds of quality assurance marks are the same as they were before. There's like a green check and then 2 yellow marks there. Of course, the don't step. This is, of course, plastic or fiberglass, but the bottom is steel here. So that's very thick, strong steel. And then I don't know what this serial number is there. Yeah, figured I would do a short little video just showing the first look at one of the replacement battery packs. That's all for now.